Welcome. Wait. Welcome back to my channel. This is how we're starting. Oh, I gotta go. This is how we're starting this vlog off. I'm running late, per usual. This is a maintenance vlog. It says I'm gonna get there at 4 o'clock. My appointment's at 4 o'clock. I was trying to get there a little bit early, since I am filming, but it's okay. So you guys read by the title, this is a maintenance vlog, and we're gonna go ahead and pull out. Don't pay attention to where I live or I will fight you. Don't hate me, cause I'm beautiful. Okay, you guys, so okay, so you guys, this is how we're starting off this vlog. I am so sorry, I do apologize. This is very chaotic, but I haven't had time to have maintenance done on myself since my birthday, which was October 20th, and today is November 20th. That is a whole month ago. And the Cancun vlog will be up after this vlog. I don't know what's taking me so long to edit, but since I got back from my trip, I've literally been running, okay? So let me text my lash tech. This is actually the first time I'm going to her. I was supposed to go to her a long time ago. So I was supposed to go to her for my birthday, but I literally did not have the time to get my nails done or my hair done for my birthday because I was too busy making money. So yeah, I'm gonna get my lashes done, nails, hair, and makeup, and probably do some skincare as well because my skin has been acting up. But y'all, when I was in Mexico, my skin was flourishing. I don't know if it's the sun. It's a different type of sun out there. I don't know what it was, but it was, my skin looked good, girl, like good. So yeah, I'm very excited for this vlog, and we got a sponsorship in this video. You guys will see it. I'm trying to do my content a little differently, so I was like, let's do a maintenance vlog. I wanted my maintenance done because I look crazy. I have a bleach stain on my hoodie because I be doing hair. My nails look terrible, and my lashes look terrible, and my skin looks terrible. So it's time to collect ourselves. And I have on a headband on top of my wig. That's how you know I'm done for. So yeah, yeah, y'all, let me focus on the road so I can get there on time, and I will see y'all when we get there. Hey y'all, I made it. I look crazy, but we're here. I'm gonna do some B-roll when we're done. But yeah, this is my lash tech. Your name is Naj? Naj. She's so cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some B-roll when we're done. This the before, crusty, dusty. We're tired of looking like this, and I'm gonna show you the after when I'm done. But it's cute in here. I'm gonna show y'all B-roll, do a little montage, all of that good stuff. Y'all need to come here because it's not ghetto. Don't play with me. Don't fool with me. Please don't fool with me. But yeah, y'all, I will talk to y'all. Wait, focus. I will talk to y'all in a little bit. Crazy, but my lashes are cute as fuck. Okay, here I am. So I'm gonna link her Instagram below.
I love that. I can't wait till you're done.
I'll send you the link and everything. So we're back. I don't know what I thought I was gonna accomplish today, but at least my lashes are done. I'm gonna go to the nail salon in the morning And we're gonna do our hair tonight. I think I want to do it tomorrow. I don't know. I just know that this video has to go up on Monday. Let me get you some water. But yeah, I am home. I'm about to eat. My lashes are so freaking cute. Like, she snapped. I love big lashes on me. Y'all can have that natural stuff. My eyes are too big for that. Like, not my eyes, but like my face. I don't know. Like, it don't look right. Little lashes don't look right on me. But yeah, so I don't even know how to act because I keep looking at my lashes. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to figure out something to eat. I think I got steak, so I'm about to eat some steak. Take a shower. I'm gonna prep my wig. Y'all probably see a little bit of that. We have a sponsor. We have a sponsorship for this video, and y'all know who it is. It is Love Me, so I will add that in. And yeah, so the lashes are done though. Get into her. The lashes are done. That light is terrible, but the lashes are done. They're super cute. I'm gonna put their page on there, and then my lash tech is Naj. So yeah, y'all, super freaking cute. Like, she snapped. But yeah, so I'm about to eat, and then I'll talk to y'all later.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't.
Morning, love bugs. It is day 2 of maintenance, and today's the last day. Like I said yesterday, I didn't think it was gonna take as long yesterday, but it's fine because I love them. She snaps like they haven't been brushed this morning though, and I do sleep on my face. I tried not to last night, like I was like, but y'all. So next I'm gonna do some teeth whitening. I've had these for a couple of weeks now. I've been using these like crazy, and I do see a difference. But yeah, I'm actually gonna go get my teeth whitening. One of my clients does teeth whitening, so yeah, we're gonna do that. But like, today is skincare. As you guys just saw, my little montage. I didn't do too much. I was gonna do a mask, but then I opened my mask and it was, let me show y'all, because I'm gonna show y'all. I don't remember if it looked like this when I got it. Like, it's like, can y'all see that? It's like clumpy. And I don't think that's what it was given when I first got it, so I'd rather not. And that just put me in the mood to not do any masks at all. I think I have like a couple of sheet masks, and I have like this rose gold mask, but it's fine. So we're gonna do our teethuses. I really don't know which one goes where. Put them away as I said I could, but yeah. But yeah, so I'm about to clean around the house. My nail salon doesn't open until 12 today. It's Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday. And also they didn't have any availability. I used to book appointments and now I just don't. I usually just walk in, or I do call like the day before and be like, can y'all take me tomorrow? But I gotta work on that because I don't like when my clients do that to me. So yeah, but they don't be caring. So yeah, I'm gonna go in today at 12. That's the time they open. It's 10:35, 10:36 now. So 10:36. So it wasn't that funny. Okay, so yeah. So I'm gonna go clean and then I'm gonna get ready to go. And then when we get it back, it's a wig time. When we get back, it's wig time. Honestly, I should go ahead and do the wig now. So, well, not install it now, but prep it. So let's go prep this wig. Y'all ready? Cause it's bomb. It's bomb. It's bomb. And you're still not that girl. You're still not that girl. You're still not that girl. All right, let's go. Hey. Okay, so I took my teeth whiteners off. So first we're stopping at Starbucks because I want some. And yeah. Let me put y'all on though. Y'all need to try the sugar. Is it sugar plum? It's the plum and it's the sugar plum cheese Danish. It tastes like a toaster strudel. Or y'all can just go get a toaster strudel. But I haven't had a toaster strudel since I was young. So you're supposed to stop. You're supposed to stop at the stop sign. But yeah, so that's what I ordered. I got that. My wig not even on my head, y'all. Ooh, but I got that and the sugar cookie. What's it called? The sugar cookie iced coffee. So I'm gonna show y'all. This is my first time trying the sugar cookie iced coffee. I'm excited though. I got a venti. Why did I get a venti? Don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna go do that. Go get the nails did. Cause girl. But I'm loving my lashes. Like, I literally love them. They're not too much. They're just enough. My eyes were not irritated at all. Like, so you guys make sure you check them out. They were so sweet. Yeah, so I'm about to stop at Starbucks and get my coffee and then to the nail salon.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Girls, these are the Frenchies. They're pink to match my toes. Got my toes done a minute ago. So yeah, the vibe in there, impeccable. I was watching a movie. They gave me a water. They offered wine as well, but yeah, so make sure you guys come over here and try them out if you live in this area. I live in this area, so I don't like going into the city to go get my nails done, but I'm gonna get some quick video to add to this. And now that the nails are done, it's time for the hair. So let's go. Anything that you want. Hey baby dolls, so we have a sponsor and you know it's Love Me. So they sent me over this bomb wig with my elastic band, this toothbrush, bobby pins, silk wrap, the whole nine. So this is the glueless curly closure highlighted wig. All I did was apply some Revlon Color Silk in the color dark brown to the roots because I wanted my roots to look a little bit more realistic, and I'm just applying that with my edge brush. And then I bleached the knots. That's literally all I did to this wig. And then I plucked it. I want to thank Love Me so much for sponsoring this video. You guys will see the whole process of me putting it on, coloring, bleaching the knots, the whole nine, y'all. And yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and just enjoy this vlog. Okay, you guys, I look crazy, but now it's time for hair. So you guys saw the Love Me wig. This is her. She's still drying. I don't want her wet. I don't want to do a wet look. That's not what we're here for today. That's not what we're here for today, boo-boo. Okay. The elastic band always fits perfectly. And their wigs are always so easy to install, girl. Like, okay. So I think I want a little up and down action. So all I did was add on some darker roots. Yeah, it came pre-colored just like this, like I mentioned. And it's giving. A side part would be cute too. Let's get to installing this.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me. I'll keep it real, only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. Yeah, take my hand, I promise to fall love again, love again. Yeah.
Okay, so the hair is almost complete. We're gonna go ahead and do these baby hairs really quick. My camera battery died. That's what happened. So y'all know I use my good old trusty dusty got to be what is this? Not got to be, girl, what is this? Gorilla Snot. Use my trusty dusty Gorilla Snot, and I'm gonna put a little bit on each side.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
And brush them down.
I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. It's the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Love Me always does it for me. I love me some Love Me, period. Okay, so this is the hair. Now we're almost done with this maintenance vlog, y'all. I'm so happy, like I'm getting myself together. This is all about self-care, self-maintenance, and I just slayed my hair. So now that the hair is done, nails are done, lashes are done, skin is glowy, it's time for some makeup, y'all. Like, girl. And the makeup always hits with the lashes, always. So let's go ahead and get into the makeup, y'all. I got a whole bunch of new products. I'll insert a clip. I went to Ulta like last week, and I got not a whole bunch of new products, but like I got some products. I got a new foundation, girl, and everybody else has already been using it but me. Where I've been. So okay, I'm going to do another montage, and then I will tell y'all about all the products. Well, okay, so I got the Morphe what is this, girl, Equalizer primer. I got the new, this is not new, but I got Lancome, okay, $50, $47 left, $50 foundation. So yeah, I've been loving it. Honestly, I'm getting y'all the real tea. I've been loving this foundation. So Lancome, and then of course my Tarte Shape Tape and my e.l.f. concealers. That's the same. Yeah, the only new things I really got is, and then I will probably give y'all a new updated makeup routine. So yeah, let me stop talking and let's get started.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've been having this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up. you go? Will you know how I've been living without you? Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive and miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it in place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it in place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it in place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it in place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Where'd you go? Will you know how I've been living without you? Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive and miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it in place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it in place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you.
First of all, girl, I am not the same person that started this video. I just want to say that. She dead. Gone. Don't know what happened to her. This is a new dime. This is the dime that y'all know. The other girl, I don't know what she was doing. What was she doing here? I don't understand. But yeah, y'all. So, this is the finished look. Makeup, hair, lashes, nailies, my nails. I didn't really show y'all my nails. I think. Can y'all see that? My pinkies. But yeah, girl, I'm obsessed with the face. She did what she had to do. Okay, so yeah, make sure you guys stay on the lookout for my updated makeup routine tutorial. I will be giving a detail. Make sure you guys check out Love Me Hair. Again, I want to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. Again, I love their hair. Like, I'm not even playing. And I know I say I love their hair all the time, but I really do. Like, I probably wouldn't be working with them still if I didn't love their hair. So I love their hair. Like, came like this, closure, melted. Like, you can't tell me this is not my hair. You can't tell me I'm not Beyonce, because that's what it's giving. Okay, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. I hope this vlog was entertaining for y'all. I know I didn't do a lot of chit-chatting with y'all. Well, I don't know if I really did, but yeah, so I love y'all. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys so much for 3,000 views on my body care video. Like, y'all like y'all bodies that much? Not playing. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.
Just keep